General, if you could just please rise for His Excellency, the President of the Order of Fiji, and the First Lady.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the investiture ceremony for Mr. Andrew Sutherland Thomson shall now begin.
As President and Chancellor of the Fijian College of Honor, I am very pleased and delighted that we are able to eventually award Mr. Thomson with a well-deserved award this afternoon after all this time. Congratulations to you, sir. Mr. Thomson was nominated in 2016, but because of his work commitments that required extensive travel and lengthy periods of absence abroad, I was not able to personally bestow the award during the National Investiture ceremony early last year, nor during his very brief return trips to the country. You're a very busy man. And I'm most pleased, so happy this afternoon that we have both found a mutually convenient time today. Mr. Thomson was nominated for the Order of Fiji Award in recognition for his contribution to the development of tourism in Fiji, particularly in and around the vicinity of the Denarau Island in Nadi, which I might add has now become a burgeoning tourism harbor location in this country. As the then Chief Executive Officer of the Denarau Island project, Mr. Thomson oversaw the infrastructure planning and the implementation of 7 hotels, a golf course, residential subdivisions, and the Denarau Marina. Mr. Thomson was also involved in sports, which included leadership roles with the Nandronga and the Nandi Rugby unions, as well as with Fiji Rugby in both 7s and 15s codes. The nation is still on a high after our last 7s win. The Honours and Awards system under the Fiji Honours and Awards Act of 1995 recognizes individuals who have and continue to contribute to Fiji's development as a nation in any field or endeavour. Since becoming Fiji's head of state, I have been and will continue to promote a culture of appreciation for this nation. I believe that the culture of appreciation will further inspire a sense of national unity, patriotism, and productive citizenry among our fellow Fijians who are and have been working towards a common goal of nation building at the local and international levels. It is an opportunity for acts of selflessness to be recognized. Well done, sir. Now, value. I wish to particularly encourage the recognition of those who have contributed immeasurably across the whole range of human endeavour, including but not limited to government, local administration, industry, diplomacy, health, education, law, the arts, sports, religion, the news media, environment, youth development, charity, and indeed all other areas in which service to the nation is identified. The list goes on. And as a nation, Fiji should also consider those who have demonstrated great acts of courage in the face of adversity. That being said, I congratulate you once again, sir, for your contribution to Fiji's development. May Almighty God continue to bless you and your family and our beloved nation. And Turan Taltala, thank you for the very short, inspirational, devotional presentation about the parable of talents. Well done, sir. Now, value. So good to see you again up there.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Knockout.
No.
Just go to college.